Now, wow, my people. Now, good afternoon or good morning, anytime when I do now. Now, well done. So, atuari mi fe to kana we go gagbo e. Inwe nu po igbiagia nu wa nu gbe. O ma ye fo e ma diwe atuari. Nu e no gin. O kono ro wodo no ge kian ni e boda fun ni agba koko gba we e wo kian. Useless and nothing woman blishy egbe no keke rotty body wa wa bola we gbe atuari no fian wo ba gbon atuari go gbu wa ku e keke ri moyi wa fian wo dan ogba be we no gin we no vada emi dan bo wa na mi wo ro wodo wa we ran we ri hian wa bo da fun e wa bo da fun gba we wa bo da fun gba gada wo kan obo swagalicious a girlfriend there wa na gada wa na we wa na te bia onu wa te we lolo oni ge ta wi yen kwe wa na so anta woni ga anya nu we live video no ana o wa to ari wo da fun esi palo no mu kian esi palo atuari nu ga fian we ni go ana gbo atuari ni go ana gbo for you to see for you to come out now to talk say see the work where your husband they work person need to still pay you 10 euro something to come listen to your useless and miserable life. To come listen say if your husband they work if your husband they work if your husband not they work what look at me cause what can they if a sick palo they work what is my fucking business ni meke wina na wonu tasiri me epe awenu na yowa e God make Italian fian ni me cause the day I start with telling a start of the work sorry start of the work with early age well 10 years a contribution me tax ni epe 12 now work they rent for una if you like me your husband they work if you like me your husband not they work what you can you a tax more pay yeah you got receive a tax later o wa na gbọ́ me so ko ini got receive a pension later o wa na gbọ́ me so ko ma fi anwu because edelegbe ya yo reje winner for years and years see me ya be kin winner re be gba o family dogbe bi asan be ga van na o wa we no gi. So for you to talk now say if your husband they work even care me no even know that is I don't understand according to what you right say who want to know what if my husband really work or not then me go pay 10 euro to go wash your bleaching face you will be say don't they rot you will be say be like person now swear they worry you swell up like a person where kidney not they work can't you go and take care of yourself illiteracy gbe wa gbon iwa boy fi ekun lelewe can't you go and work aigbe no keke e wo bi we no gin we no vada okuno ro wodo no ge once a matter me bi abire eriyan ma we once a matter me Esther ma yes yen woni be ma once any mama laje na wo eri ma westa Ejema first lady what said anybody malada we yan we do me no be kin nene kete to bi yen what so malada we yan we na mi wo pa wa nyanu we le ran le lirinu nu fian wo ba gbon nu ewe gbu nu ku e keke ri mo ya tuari no be dokpolo for you to disclose wetin your husband dey work either your husband dey either your sick pal or husband dey work only gbo either they work or not person need to still go pay 10 euro and some cent to go wash you 10 euro and some cent e go reach me to buy lead join my lead where I take the makeup ni ari eguwe avian me ya pay wa fian wu cause e go ni wa ti de giyan wo wa e ma su se wo wa children restricted they gonna be ni go wa mo egbe Neni go na wetu wa mu aga so wa go o go wa dero long ye aga gbera wa o no gbera wa o keke no ma vomit o na me we imi wo no keke no wa ya wi agbo wa ha go wa de o ha go wa pu he o ha go wa lu ame but so mi go wa ya wo se monica me o no ga €1 we mejo 1 cent me I can go pay wa fian wu wow, akuwe ka ave ne gbe ma oko ni ya pay ticket €10 something. Ni eti mweti ibi ya ari ba bi salu ya gbe ti yan wa mi ro mi pia eti yan imanojo hun ya ti gbin yan to o mi huo eto na mi yan since last year yeri yan to ma ye ran eto do ki he o ko to dada see them for train station see them all over. But ya amigo ni haya washo atuari nu keke atuari na chaga gosha we me you dey enjoy wetin dey happen so as everybody they give you so you know see I say you don't still tire cause you they receive the heat. You understand me? You they receive the heat. All of them they don't weaken your power. They don't weaken your power. Ye fuen way we man surrender man surrender because you don't tire. Your body don't tell me say you don't tire. Useless and nothing woman. Kiye kesi palo no mukia nonsense. Wow. You want disclose say your husband they work or that for neck be. You want disclose that they work or not. The work where they work. That I need to pay you €10. You motherfucker. Kuwe ko that for one ho. Ni ya pay €10 ya wash you. €10 ne €10 ya we. Iya the lady or you go buy the lipstick. Iya the Rihanna lipstick. Or iya the Rihanna €30 baby €35 €40. Iya the foundation ge o Rihanna no ana ohuwa. Wa fian wu. Aviani ni pay €10 ya wash you na. Iya ma na tie pap test o iya ma u de. Iya ma even atie tampone vaginale iya ma u de iya ma even atie blood test general blood test where they go do blood test even general blood test where they go do their blood test they go say make you bring orin they go say make you bring poo then go make sure once in a year you're supposed to be doing it and I what they know they do but they prefer to go the same money they give her to Ari me all those things I they do regularly they need to Arigo Ido yari egwe. Igoni at least middle of the month, middle of the year. Me and you do my general test. Both blood general, everything general test now they call them. General test. Then go take your blood, test everything, take your poo, take your urine. Do everything. So make sure say you are pure, you are okay. And they don't know what they call pap test. No. Where we say cancer, where we say prevention for cancer, for you to know pre-cancer. If you do, if something there where we say you want to germinate for your body, they'll quit dictator, they'll quit test that thing where it be. Where we say they'll come get cancer, the thing they'll come they roti, can't die. Now they do prevention. So if you do tampone vaginale, most of them are total they smell. If now they do tampone vaginale, I think twice in a year, you go look whether you get infection or not. If you not get infection, thank God. If you get, you cure them. They know they do, they prefer. Yeah, if they pass you, you go want vomit. If they pass you go want vomit. If they also, if you want something for answer you want it, you go even throw we are go. Avi for ne negbo gbe, avi for ni yo, avi for ni depressed ni no hagi and spend go yegbiyan. If you see your children self, now then you tell no say they are frustrated. Male child agbiyan to eto imani pe you hun. A female child eto na miyan since last year yari yan to eto do here dreading. Odo here dread. Atuari no ana fian wo agbon. Because you know say many women for Euro don't depress. Many women for Euro where even both with their husband don't frustrate. It is very easy to collect money for them. And you are using them. wa fia wu wa owu atuari